Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Patel Science Academy, and you are watching here Patel Science Academy fifth lecture from the chapter Inheritance and Variations. This is the fifth number lecture, dear students, and you are well familiar with me now as a Shahzad sir. So dear students, in this lecture the topic you are going to know is codominance and multiple alleles. So dear students, codominance and multiple alleles, these are the these are the examples from the intragenic gene interaction. Dear students, in the previous lecture I have explained about the intragenic gene interaction and intergenic gene interaction. Actually, these are the two types of the gene interaction in which there is a little difference between the intragenic and intergenic. Intragenic gene interaction, the interaction which occur between the alleles of the same gene, and its example is incomplete dominance, codominance, and multiple alleles. So dear students, I have explained incomplete dominance in my fourth number lecture from this chapter, and in this lecture you will learn about the codominance with the example and the multiple allele. So dear students, what is codominance? In codominance, both the allele or gene of the allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrid. So dear students, in the incomplete dominancy, we have seen in the incomplete dominance, both the allele or gene of allelomorphic pair express themselves partially, not equally. But in the codominance, both the genes or allele in the allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in the F1 generation. So this equally, this word indicates the codominancy. This codominancy, actually, such alleles which are able to express themselves equally independently in hybrids, they are called codominant allele. Thus in codominant, both alleles are expressed, unlike the incomplete dominancy. So dear students, if you have question in your mind, what is codominant allele? So answer is here: the allele which are able to express themselves equally independently in the hybrids, they are called codominant allele. So example is the coat color in the cattles, the color of the skins with the red color hair and the white color hair. So we'll see here the example in the codominance in the cattles. A red cattle with the capital R, and roan cattle with the capital R, WR. Here capital R is indicating the red color of the skin, and capital R and capital W is indicating the mixture of the white and red color, that is called roan. While capital W is indicating here in this example the white color of the hair on the skin of the cattle. So in this way we'll see the example. Capital R is indicating the red color of the cattle, capital W is indicating the white color of the cattle, and their mixture, capital R capital W is indicating the mixture of the white and red, that is called roan. So let's see the example of this codominance in the cattles one by one, in which the allele or gene in the allelomorphic pair will express equally. So this is, dear students, the example of the codominance. In this example you can see here there are two cattles. In these two cattles, actually this is the classic example of the codominance in a coat color in a cattle, and there are two types: one with the red coat, as I told you, with the red color hair on the skin, and the other with the white coat with the white color hair on the skin. When red cattles capital R crossed with the white cattles capital W, F1 hybrid will be definitely capital R capital W, which is called roan. This, actually, you can see here, this is one of the parents with the capital R means with the red color of the skin, and this is one of the another parent with the white color skin, indicated by capital W. So this capital W and capital R is producing here capital R and capital W. So this is indicating this white color, this one, this one, this one, this one, this white color from these parents, and red color, this red color from these parents. So this type of cattle offspring is called roan. You have seen, I hope you might seen this type of cattle in your life. This is called roan. So dear students, this roan have the mixture of the red and white color here. Thus both the traits are expressed equally in F2 generation. Red capital R, roan capital R capital W, and white capital W are produced in the ratio of 1:2:1. Thus codominance, in the codominance the genotypic and phenotypic ratio is identical. As you can see here, this is the F1 generation, and you can see here this is cow and this is bull, and this one is red, and this one means these two are roan, and this is white. So these are capital R, these are capital W, capital R capital W, and these are capital W. So this is indicating white, and these two are roan, the mixture of this one red and white, and this is red. So likewise 1:2:1, these is the phenotypic ratio, as well as capital R will be 1, capital R capital W will be 2 time, and W capital will be 1 time. That's why 1:2:1 genotypic ratio will be there. So this is about the codominance. As you can see here, inheritance beyond the Mendel codominance. You can see here this red color of the in the cattle with the white color. If it is mixed or if it is crossed, then they will produce this type of living organism in which both character will express 50-50, that is equally. This type of roan is called roan, this type of cattle is called roan. So in this example you can learn or understand about the roan and the codominance. So you can see there one of the roan in the cattle, in this cat also. This one is also roan cattle, roan cat. Now we'll go for the multiple alleles. So what is multiple allele? Dear students, multiple alleles, more than two alternative forms of alleles of a gene in a population occupying the same locus on a chromosome or its homologous are called multiple allele. Dear students, if there is a gene and that gene is present in more than two alternative forms, so that in a population occupying the same locus, so that gene which is present in the more than two alternative forms, that is called multiple allele. And this multiple allele actually it arises by the mutation of the wild gene that is dominant over the other mutant alleles, and a gene can mutate several times, producing a series of the alternative expression. Multiple alleles do not undergo crossovering, and hence the example is the ABO blood group in human being. This is the very famous example in the human being, the example of the blood group ABO, because there are A type of blood group in the human, B type of blood group in the human, AB type, and O type. So these four type of blood group are found in the human, and the gene capital I controls the ABO blood group, as it has three alleles, capital I A, capital I B, and small I. So dear students, here you can see this capital I gene here you can see this capital I gene which is controlling this blood group in the human being. It is found in the multiple form, capital I A, capital I B, and in the small form. Small form is its recessive form. So you can see this is the gene which is present in more than two alternative form. One form is capital I A, another one form is capital I B, and one more form is a small I. So these I, which is only one gene, it is present in the more than two alternative forms. That's why this gene is considered as a multiple allele. So this is multiple allele. Now you just let's have a look on the definition. More than two alternative forms of the alleles or of the gene. So I hope with this example of ABO blood group I gene, which is present in the three form, capital I A, capital I B, and small I, you'll be able to learn about, or you'll be able to clear the point regarding the multiple alleles. The more than two alternative forms of the allele or gene in the population occupying the same locus on the chromosome or its homologous is called multiple allele. So just keep in mind the example of the ABO blood group. Humans are diploid organism. Each person possesses any two of the three I genes. So dear students, in this example, as you know, human is a diploid organism and it will have any two pair, either capital I A two time, or capital I B two time, or capital I A and capital I B, this is one time, and capital small I two time. So they will have one pair out of these three. So that pair will decide the blood group of that particular body of human being. So capital I A and capital I B are codominant and completely dominant over small I. So you can learn from here, in this capital I A and capital I B is completely dominant over small I, and in between each other they are co-dominant, means they will express equally. So there are 6 different genotypes and only 4 different phenotypes in the human being. So we'll see that cross now. So these are that multiple alleles, as I told you, and blood group in the human is an example of this inheritance patterns. The 4 different blood groups are, as you know, as I told you earlier, blood group A, blood group B, blood group O, and blood group AB. These are produced by the 3 different alleles, as I told you, capital I A, capital I B, and small I. Capital I A is indicating the A blood group, B is indicating B blood group, and small I is indicating O blood group. So these are the phenotype: A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. Genotype for the different blood group: if capital I A, capital I two time is present, then blood group will be O. Blood group will be A. If one capital I and one small I will be there in this condition too, there will be A blood group. Likewise, if two capital I B present, blood group will be B. If one capital I B and one small I is in the body, then again the body will have the B blood group. If only one capital I A and only one capital I B, in this combination, if this genotype is present, then that person will have AB blood group. And if no capital I will be there, only small I two time will be there, then that person will have the blood group O. So likewise, there are 4 types of the blood group in the human being on the basis of presence of that I gene, which is present in the multiple allele, which is present in the 3 different form, out of which capital I A and capital I B are co-dominant, and capital I A and capital I B are completely dominant over the small I. So dear students, this is about that genotype. As I told you earlier, if A blood group is there, then the genotypic pair will be capital I A small I, or capital I A capital I A. If blood group B is there, the pair will be capital I B small I, capital IB 2 times. If blood group AB is there, there will be one capital IA, one capital IB, and if blood group O is there, it means there is no capital I, only small I 2 times is there. That's why the blood group will be O. So likewise, in the human being, this multiple allele is responsible for the blood group, different 4 blood group. So multiple allele in this cross, homozygous type of A female, if mother is there with the A blood group, and heterozygous type B male is there, if female is having two, if mother is having two capital A, means homozygous condition, and if father is having heterozygous condition capital A capital B, so at that time the genotypic ratio will be 50% capital I A capital IB and 50% capital I A small I. That is, the phenotypic will be, next generation may be with the blood group AB and blood group A. How it comes? Let's see. Mother is, as you know, in this example, mother is homozygous type A type, means both gene will be capital IA because homozygous is there, and father is heterozygous B, means one gene will have capital IB and one gene will be small I. So in this condition, these are the two gametes of father and these are the two gametes of mother. So likewise, in the next cross, what will happen? If this capital IA from mother, it goes in the next generation and fuse with the capital IB, so next generation will have capital IA from mother and capital IB from father. So likewise, blood group will be AB. If this time capital I from mother fuses with the capital IB with the father, again the same condition will be there, means blood group AB. So out of this 4 result, we have till now got 2 offspring with the AB. Now the second condition, in the second condition, if this capital IA fuse with the small I of this father, combination will be capital IA small I, and this time generation will be with the blood group A, because capital gene is A and it is dominant over small gene, and same condition, this capital I will fuse with this small I and same gene will be there, same pair will be there, capital I small I. So likewise, out of this 4 result, we have got 2 result with this capital I AB, means for the AB blood group, and 2 results for the capital I A small I with the 2 offspring with 2 A blood group. So likewise, in this in this cross, just take the example of this cross. If your father is having blood group B and if your mother is having blood group A, so you might have either AB blood group or A blood group, but your father should be in the heterozygous condition and your mother should be in the homozygous condition. This is about the multiple allele example of the ABO blood group to explain the multiple allele. This is about this lecture number 5 from this chapter. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video, and like my video, share it with your friends and with the needies, and press the bell icon to receive my instant notification of the new lecture. Thank you very much for watching.